I'm Daniela, a professional skin therapist and senior educator here at Dermalogica, and today we're going to talk about a few key steps that everybody should really include in their skincare routine. Now, if you're new to our brand, let me introduce you. We are a professional grade skincare line. We're passionate about education and skin health, and we're really here to bring you all of our expert tips. Now, I know that when you're starting out with skincare or you're thinking about implementing a skincare routine, it can be super overwhelming and confusing. But today we're going to kind of simplify that down and just focus on a few key things. Step one is the double cleanse step. If this is a newer concept to you, this is something that Dermalogica has been talking about since the launch of our brand, really all the way from 1986. And this step is really important because you can't treat the skin if the skin is dirty. So the double cleanse routine really ensures that you've removed the pollution, the dirt, the makeup, the debris that's sitting on your skin, and that it's ready to be treated with your following steps, like your targeted treatments, your serums, your moisturizers, and all of your finishing products. The way that I like to start my routine is with our pre-cleanse. I really don't know how I got along in life without this. The oil-based cleanser is really designed to melt impurities away. It's going to help with congested skin, breakout-prone skin, oily skin, and it's going to break all the makeup down, the sunscreen, products that are really designed to adhere to your skin. If you like something that's maybe not in a liquidy oil form, we also have the sister product to the pre-cleanse. It's the pre-cleanse balm. And I really like this when I travel. It's easy. I just throw it in my bag. And this is really nice because it actually has a thicker texture. So it's actually going to be like a balm that melts into your skin, but it's going to have that same action that the pre-cleanse oil has. And as a little bonus, in this product, you get this really cute little buffing mitt. So you can put your pre-cleanse balm on here and you can add a little bit of water and really work this into the skin for that deeper cleanse and a bit more of like an exfoliation. Once you're done with the pre-cleanse step or that oil-based cleanser, you want to go in with your second cleanse. Now you can start out with something like our special cleansing gel, which is great for all skin types and all skin conditions, or you can take it a step further and really get something that's customized to treat your aging concerns, or maybe you have acne or oily skin, and in that case, you can definitely check out all of the different cleansers that we have available. Step number 2 is that target treatment. This is where you're going to apply something that is specific to treat a skin concern that you might have. So this is where we use things like serums. Now, not all of the serums are built the same way. All of them have different ingredients and they're designed to treat different things on the skin. So for example, if you were to wake up today and you felt super dehydrated, you might want to look for something that's hydrating, maybe something that has like hyaluronic acid in it, that's really going to quench the skin. Or maybe you went to bed tonight and you noticed, oh my gosh, where did this breakout come from? You're going to pick a serum that's going to be targeted to kill that bacteria, reduce that inflammation, and hopefully tomorrow you'll wake up without those signs of those breakouts. One of my favorites right now is the Biolumin C serum. This is amazing, and I'm using this because specifically right now I'm concerned with fine lines and wrinkles and pigmentation, so this is the targeted treatment that I've been using this week. Another fun thing that you can do with serums is also zone treat, because you really have to think about what you're focusing on, but maybe I have pigmentation just in my cheek area and I'm going to use something like the Biolumin C serum, but then maybe I have the breakouts on my jawline, right? So I'll use something like our Age Bright Clearing Serum, or even something like our Skin Hydrating Booster if I'm dehydrated. So think about what your skin concern is and make sure that you pick up a product that's going to target or treat that specific condition. And last but not least is the third key step. You have to moisturize and protect the skin. So it does us no good if we've double cleansed, if we've treated the skin, but now we're going out into the world almost exposed to all the environmental damage and pollution, and we're dehydrated. So making sure that we lock in that key hydration with the moisturizer to seal all of those amazing ingredients into the skin is really going to be key. And then remember, you have to wear sunscreen. Yes, I know, even on the rainy, cloudy days when you don't want to, or even now that we're just hanging out inside, it's still super important because that's really one of the number one things that you can do to prevent all of the things: signs of aging, pigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles, and again, of course, dehydration. So one of my top picks right now, again, is the Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF 50. I love this one because I almost feel like it's a 3-in-1. I get a treatment to help with my collagen and my fine lines and my wrinkles, but I'm also getting in hydration for my skin and that built-in SPF 50. So this is something I never leave the house without, and I recommend that you include this key step into your routine. So I hope this was helpful for all of you and that you learned a little bit more. And it's not about buying all of the different steps, but really starting out with a simple routine that's going to help you focus on your key concerns, something that's specific for your skin type. And as you get more comfortable, then you can go ahead and add in those other steps into your routine. So for more education, make sure that you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys next time.